Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can fix Messenger call not working in iPhone. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and let me show you how you can check it out if your call is not working. So once you are on the chat box, you will see this option on the top and you will never see this option over here. So in this case you have to go another app. You will see over here on the top call option. Click on that and then you will see this. In the settings app, tap messenger and turn on microphone. If you are facing this issue, you have to go to your phone settings, or you can go to iPhone settings and then scroll all the way up and go to apps and then search over here messenger and then click on messenger. Once you click on that, you will see this microphone option over here at the fourth. So first you have to do is turn this on and you will never face this issue. If you are using cellular data on your phone, so you have to do is click on that lost option over here, cellular data, to turn this on. And once you click on the call or get on the call, you will never face any issue now. So that's it. If you are facing any issue, simply comment in the down and I will check it out and I will make it for you guys, that video that you are facing that issue. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.